Guys, we are back. This is part 2. We're building the Kia Optima, the Copart Kia Optima, part 2. Now, let's get this thing vacuumed and get all this mess off the floor. We got a lot of glass down here. We don't want to cut ourselves. We do not want to cut ourselves, guys. So, let's try to vacuum it out the best. Do the best we can here because some of these glass is burnt into the carpet. Some of the glass is burnt into the carpet. Yeah. Okay. Some of it is burnt into the carpet. But we're going to do the best way we can here. We're going to do the best we can on this. Coming good, guys. Coming good. Doing good. Make sure get all this glass. Do not want to cut ourselves here under any circumstance. Okay. Okay, this side came out pretty good. Got most of the glass out of here. Sucking these mosquitoes up as we go. Okay, go get the other side. Let's go get the other side. Gotta be careful walking through here. Don't want them animals underneath to come bite us. There's one under there. I don't know. Don't know. Just gotta be careful out here. Here, so this got this mat should be less burn underneath because it's matte here. Yep, this mat is here, so we should have less burn under this carpet. Let's clean it off, pull it out. That's good enough. I don't want no glass. Okay. So let's pull this carpet out here now. So yeah. Might put this back down. Might put that carpet back down in there. So, yeah, so this carpet underneath over here looks a lot better. all of it is thrown in it, but not keeping this carpet anyway, but just making some observation. Yeah. Observation. $20 bill, guys. We found the $20 bill in here. Look at that. Look at that. $20 bill. A dirty $20 bill in this car. Now that's a keeper. That's a pretty good find. That is a pretty good find, guys. $20 bill. What do you know? Put it in there. Pretty good find. But you know what I want to find the most? I want to find these goddamn keys. Now the keys was in here. Give me the keys. That's what I want. The keys. Nice. Low. Should have had the keys in here. That would should have been in here. That would be nice. That would be very nice to find the key. Because the keys were not in here. So that would have been nice. That would have been nice to find the keys, guys. Okay. Shut that off. Whew. Loud. But yeah. Look at that. I don't know what kind of knife this is. Can't barely see it. But this was a woman's car with a child. And she had a knife stuck between the seat. I guess she did need protection for her and her child. That's a keeper. I'm gonna clean that up. I'm gonna clean that up. Let's see, I don't want to cut my goddamn self. Let's see, how do you fold this thing? Hold on, guys. I gotta sit you down. I don't want to cut myself on an old knife. I don't know who owned this car. Okay. See, right there. Fold it. Oh, bet most of you already know that anyways. But yeah, that's a keeper right there. We're gonna keep that baby. We're gonna keep that bad boy. That's one thing I like for buying cars at Copart. You never know what you're gonna find. You may even find a whole pistol in here, but you know you can't do much with that anyways. But you find a lot of things in these old cars. You find a lot of things in these old cars. A lot of stuff you can keep, and a lot of stuff you don't even want. Yeah. People be leaving all kinds of things in this car. They do. Leave all types of things in them. Alright, let's vacuum this back area. It's gonna be a pretty long series because 20 minutes of pop ain't a lot. I mean, I can go longer. I can get my GoPro, but I don't know. That GoPro be acting up sometimes, so I gotta go sleep with old face. Straight in this goddamn back. Any mosquitoes out here, y'all can go straight in this back. I ain't capping. Suck all you mosquitoes straight in this back. Trying to sting me? I'm gonna suck you up. I'm gonna leave you in there. Don't walk. Got this side taken care of. We ain't got that long on it. Not. What the hell? We found $20, didn't we? A dirty old $20. But that's cheap. Alright guys, we got the vacuum done. Now, it's time to remove these seats. Now this might be kind of hard because I don't know how they got these things fastened. And this seat, as you can see, is pulled all the way back. As you can see, that seat is pulled back pretty good, so usually under these little pockets down here, be a screw. Yep. There you go. There you have it. Keep. yeah. Trash. So, you know what I'm thinking? That rear seat, that rear back there. How is that hooked in? That's what I'm thinking. How is that rear hooked in? These screws are easy to get to, but what about the rear? You know what? I already know how to take care of this. I don't know why I'm saying that. What you do is, I gotta go under the seat and find the connection where the motor is, then get one of my batteries and hook it to it and find the one that moves. It's on the motor. It got a thing that you gotta hook to that sends power to the one side, then just roll it back, send power to the other side, and then roll it front. So that's what we have to do here. Of course, I'm gonna lose the front one first. But right now, guys, this is the end of this video. See, 20 minutes goes up so fast. So, again, let's like, let's comment, let's subscribe, and let's see each other again. We're back in the yard. Yard 2. Not 1. Peace.